Hello students, Instructor here, John Mediola with another screencast, this one about garbage mats in After Effects. So, you can create, like for example, I could create a shape layer like this, and it's like solid like that, and then I would have to go toggle this down and track mat my footage into that shape and things like that. And that's certainly one way you can do it, because you have a lot of freedom. You can move that shape layer around, do whatever you want to as far as effects or animation go. But sometimes what you need is just nothing like crazy. You just need to, get this as tight to the person as possible. Maybe there's uneven lighting near the edges. Maybe there's like, lighting or another person or a tree or what have you. And just don't want it. And you can't green screen it away. So we can use garbage mat. And you want to make sure that you have this selected. And then you can grab like the rectangle tool, for example, and it'll only reveal what's inside the rectangle. The other way to do it, again, with this selected, the footage selected, use the pen tool and draw a custom path that has as many points or as few points as you desire. Okay, notice the nodes are yellow instead of blue. If they were blue, that means we just drew it out in a separate layer. Yellow means it's a mask on our existing layer. Now, an important thing to do is I want this to follow me. I can see if I left it there, that wouldn't be very good because I would go off there. What I can do is open this up, and I want to check on, set this to 0, and check the stopwatch on. Now what I'm going to do is move this over here like this, and I can see that, okay, I need this edge pushed out, and these edges can tuck in, or these points or nodes can. So I'll grab my arrow tool, and I'm just going to, I could move the whole thing if I wanted, or I can click off and just move individual points like this, and maybe these can tuck in, because again, maybe there's something in the background there that I don't want. Alright, and I can't green screen it away. Okay, that's good until here, and I really need more on this side. More visible, and this side can continue to be tucked in. See how that looks. Notice how this is animating with, go here, at this point I want to do that wider, and this wider. I keep going, see, oh, here, the shoulder's getting cut off, so I open this up, and this down here, and then I go in here, that's fine. What I'm trying to see is where does my body hit the edges of the mask, and here it does again, so I can do this maybe a little bit, tuck this in if I wanted or needed to. Keep going like this. Oh, now I have to move these things back out. There we go. There we go. And to the end. Now again, what's most important is that after you apply the mask, whether you use a shape or the pen tool, and again under rectangle there's different shapes if you wanted. Make sure that you open the mask up. You'll see the mask here. Open that up, then open this one up, and make sure you hit the stopwatch here. Otherwise, your mask will just hold put and it won't animate, or be animatable, I should say. You want it to be animatable. So now I go here. I can step back. I see, well, here, this point needed to be further away. I go back through it again. I can say, okay, looking good, looking good. It's a little tight there. I guess I could just push out a little bit just to make sure everything's cool. And now, looks good. Nothing gets clipped off, I don't think. No, we're good through the end, like that. So that's how you can use garbage mat in After Effects. Very similar to Premiere Pro, almost the exact same process, just the clicking is a little different to achieve the same effect. That's all I got. Thank you. Goodbye.